Just take a look at this channel. It's creating simple Studio Ghibli-style story videos and earning thousands of dollars every month. When I checked the estimated monthly income, around 1.9K, I was genuinely surprised. It's hard to believe that someone is making this much money just by creating AI-generated Ghibli-style videos. Thousands of people want to create videos like these, but most of them are stuck because they either don't have access to paid AI tools or don't know the right prompts to generate consistent, cinematic results. But today, that's about to change. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create professional Studio Ghibli-style story videos, step by step, using AI. I'll share the complete workflow, the exact prompts, and the techniques needed to generate beautiful, consistent scenes without any stress or confusion. So make sure you watch until the end, because you won't want to miss a single step. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts because most of them don't know what to write or how to write it the right way. But don't worry, I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt, so your only job is simple. Just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. This prompt is specially designed for Studio Ghibli-style storytelling. After you paste it into ChatGPT, it will first ask you what story or topic you want to create. Simply choose any topic you like, or if you already have one in mind, just enter it. For example, you can type underwater city during a zombie apocalypse, surviving inside a pyramid, ice castle, space station, or any other story idea. Once you enter your topic, ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete 15-scene storyboard with cinematic image prompts in the same Studio Ghibli style. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to keep bringing you valuable content like this. Now here's the exciting part. Once you paste this prompt into ChatGPT and enter your topic, it will generate a complete, well-structured, highly engaging storyboard with cinematic image prompts that perfectly match the style of the viral videos we saw at the beginning. This is the exact type of content that's getting millions of views right now. But here's the truth that most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get stunning images, you won't get high-quality videos, and your content will look average. And average content simply doesn't go viral. That's why the right prompt is the most important part of the entire process. It's the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that explodes with views overnight. So instead of wasting your time guessing what to write, use a proven prompt and focus on execution. Stay consistent, keep improving, follow the latest trends, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Because in today's world, with the right tools and the right strategy, going viral isn't luck, it's a system. Now go ahead, copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, enter your favorite story topic, and start creating your own viral Studio Ghibli-style AI videos today. Now let's come to Flow AI and understand which tool I used. The main reason I chose this tool is because of its powerful and user-friendly system. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account. No complicated steps at all. Once you log in, you instantly unlock Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. The best part is that both options are completely free to use. Yes, absolutely free, with no hidden charges or subscriptions. You can generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds without worrying about limits. This makes it perfect for both beginners and advanced content creators. Now here's where the real magic begins. Simply copy the Studio Ghibli-style image prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. Since ChatGPT creates a 15-scene storyboard, you'll get 15 separate cinematic image prompts, one for each scene. Just copy scene 1 and paste it into Flow AI to generate the first image. Then repeat the same process for scenes 2, 3, 4, all the way to scene 15. Within minutes, you'll have a complete set of stunning cinematic images that perfectly match your story with the same characters, environment, and Ghibli-style consistency. When you see the results, you'll honestly be surprised. The image quality is incredibly sharp, highly detailed, and looks like premium professional artwork, yet you're getting it completely free. You don't need advanced editing skills or complicated workflows. Just copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and let AI handle the hard work. This is a hidden opportunity that many creators still don't know about, And that's exactly why I created this channel, to guide you step by step so you can start creating your own viral Studio Ghibli-style AI story videos with ease. Let's move into the Flow AI video generation section. I know many people are thinking, Flow AI isn't completely free. And yes, that's true. But here's the part most people don't know. Flow AI gives you free daily credits every single day. Right now, you get around 50 free credits daily, which is enough to generate around 5 high-quality AI videos. That's more than enough for beginners who want to grow on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And here's a smart tip. Once your daily credits are finished, simply log in with another Gmail account to receive another set of free credits. That means one Gmail account equals around 5 videos per day, and 5 Gmail accounts equals around 25 videos per day. Now let's generate our videos. Open Veo 3.1 Lite, because this model gives the best cinematic results while using only about 10 credits per video. Next, go back to ChatGPT. Along with the 15 Studio Ghibli-style image prompts, ChatGPT also generates a scene-by-scene cinematic video prompt for every image. Simply copy the video prompt for Scene 1, upload the Scene 1 image into Flow AI, paste the matching video prompt, and click Generate. Repeat the exact same process for Scenes 2, 3, 4, all the way to Scene 15. Within a minute, Flow AI transforms each image into a beautiful cinematic video. The results are honestly incredible. Smooth camera movement, realistic character motion, natural environmental sounds, beautiful background atmosphere, immersive ASMR effects, and high-quality cinematic animation. I personally tested this workflow several times by generating multiple videos, and every result looked amazing. That's exactly why so many viral creators are using AI tools like this to upload content consistently every single day. You no longer need expensive editing software, advanced animation skills, or a professional production team. AI now does almost everything for you. Just generate your storyboard in ChatGPT, create the images in Flow AI, then use the matching video prompts to animate every scene. Finally, combine all the generated clips inside your favorite video editor, add the voiceover and background music, and your Studio Ghibli-style story video is ready to publish. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Even if your first few videos aren't perfect, keep posting, keep testing new story ideas, and keep improving. One viral video can completely change your channel. So don't wait. Start creating, start uploading, and start building your AI storytelling channel today. Thank you so much for watching and supporting QTech Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.